Hey guys, welcome back to this Arduino tutorial series. So in the previous videos, we have tried to interface an infrared sensor with our Arduino microcontroller, and the second sensor that we have interfaced with this microcontroller was the motion detection sensor. So in today's video, we are going to interface an ultrasonic sensor with this Arduino microcontroller, and we will see how to measure the distances using the ultrasonic sensor. Before moving ahead, I will explain you how this ultrasonic sensor works. So this is just the basic working of this ultrasonic sensor. There are two channels on our ultrasonic sensor module. One channel is to transmit the sound waves, and another channel is to receive the sound waves. Since the sensor works on the sound waves, so you have to consider the speed of sound in different mediums, and remember that sound waves do not travel in the vacuum because there is no medium to transmit the sound waves. So one channel transmits the ultrasonic sound waves in the surrounding, and when the sound waves strikes with any kind of object, they are get reflected back to the sensor module, and by calculating the time duration between the transmission and the receiving instantaneous, and using the speed formula that is equal to distance upon time, we can easily calculate the uh, distance between the object and the sensor. The sensor technology is used to measure the depth of the oceans, to detect the objects at the distant places, or make the radar system. So this is our circuit for today's project. Let's go to the coding section. So this is the code that I have written for today's project. I have defined a variable called echo pin, and set its value to 3 because I want to connect my echo pin of sensor module to pin number 13, trigger pin to pin number 12. I have connected my LED to pin number trigger pin to pin number 2. I have connected my LED to pin number 12. Long duration to calculate the time between the transmission and the receiving instantaneous, and int distance is used to measure the distance. Serial.begin is used to start the serial communication between the user and the microcontroller. And pin using the pin mode function, I have set my trigger pin as my output pin, echo pin as my input pin, and LED pin as my output pin. I have set the state of my echo pin for low for the first time for the 2 microsecond, then high for 10 microsecond, and then again low. Using the pulse in function, I have calculated the duration. Between the transmission and the receiving instantaneous, using the function pulse in function, and the duration and the time taken by the pulse to move into the air, to spread into travel in the air, strike with the object, and get reflected by the sensor is stored in the duration variable. Then distance equal to the using the distance formula, that distance equal to speed into time. Time is stored in the duration, and speed of sound in the air is 340 meter per second. I have converted the speed into centimeters per microsecond. So after conversion, the final result that I'm getting here is, for the speed is 0.034. I have divided the final result by 2 because I said that sound wave are traveling the same distance by 2 times. So in order to get the accurate result, or the perfect result, you have to divide the final result by 2. Using the serial.print function, I am printing the distance on the serial monitor, and I have turned my LED to high. Using the digital.write function, I'm waiting for 100 sorry 1 second, and then this loop section will repeat. This whole process will repeat itself again and again. So just compile this code and copy its address and paste it in the Arduino microcontroller in the Proteus software. In the Proteus software, the sensor is a 4 pin module. One is VCC, another is the ground, third one is the trigger pin, and fourth is the echo pin. Echo pin is turned on and is used as the input pin for the microcontroller. The state of this echo pin will goes to high whenever the sensor module receives this reflected sound waves, and when we are turning this trigger pin high, we are actually transmitting the sound waves in the surrounding. So I have connected my echo pin to pin number 3. I have connected my eco pin to pin number 3 and trigger pin to pin number 12. I have used a 5-volt battery as my VCC, and I'm using this virtual terminal mode as the serial monitor to read the distances on this serial monitor. So before you start the simulation, just click on this software, and in the program section you have to go to your library section and you have to select the ultrasonic tep.hex file. Just click on this file and open it, then again OK, and you have selected the ultrasonic library for this sensor module. Just click on simulation button, and here you can see that we are getting the distance is 4 centimeter. But if you want to change the distance, or you want to vary the distance, there is no option, but there is no option to change to do such a thing. So there is another software called Tinkercad, which is an online software, and you can get that software in the uh, Google Chrome or any browser that you are using. Software in the search section you can find the different objects, for example Arduino, resistor, push button, motor, potentiometer, etc. So in the code section you have to write the code, but when for the first time when you are using this software, you will get the code, you have to write the code in the block section. But if you want to write the code in the text section, just click on this drop down menu and select the text mode. So this at the bottom you will get the serial monitor. That means you will get that everything you want to print or you want to read from the serial monitor, that will be here. Just type here and click on send button if you want to send data to the microcontroller to do certain task. So if you notice here that the sensor module that is available in the Tinkercad is of 3 pin instead of 4 pin. So you have, that means trigger pin and the eco pin are both are included in this single pin that is called the signal pin. So you have to, when you are simulating this project in this Tinkercad software, you have to use trigger pin and the eco pin both. You have to use a single pin of Arduino microcontroller as eco pin and the uh, trigger pin. So just click on compilation, go to code section and open the serial monitor. Here you are getting that distance equal to 52 inches or 133 centimeters. To vary the distances or to see the different distances, just click on this sensor, and here you can see little circle here. Just move this circle anywhere in this light blue area. This is the field of view, or you can see the range for this ultrasonic sensor. So similarly you can get the various results at distances on this serial monitor. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching.